AP Mineral Development and Training Corporation. Along with them, we have a very special guest, Dani Soloji, Secretary, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. So here is the winner, Jidak 11. Capital Heroes भी आ जाइए, Capital Heroes. I request Capital Heroes. It's my pleasure to announce that we have our CDCN as our media partner for this whole tournament and league. For information that we have very qualified referee and match officials who are BCCI certified. They have been assisting us all these 2 weeks in this official tournament. काफी अच्छा मैच खेला आप लोग ने. The team, आप लोग का मैच really it got our heart beating, like it was very neck to neck fight. 63 रन को आप लोग ने काफी हद तक रेस्ट्रिक्ट किया. It was very nice. The tournament has one winner. जैसा कि हमारा आज का जो चीफ गेस्ट ने बोला, both the teams are the winner. जो फाइनल पहुंचा वो दोनों विनर है. बस टाइम का वो मतलब है, डिफरेंस है. So we had league matches in the first phase. We had 5 pools. 5 pools में हर pool में 4 टीम था, एक में 3 था. So likewise there was league matches in the first pool. After that there was 5 winners which came to Super 5. After that Super 5 में एक को ड्रॉ किया हम लोग ने, मतलब बाई किया, क्योंकि 4 को मैच कराए, एक को बाई किया. तो बाई वाला he came to Super 3. Then there was matches between the 4 and there was 3 winners, 1 bye and 2 winners of the Super 5. So among that 3 Super 3 there was league matches again. And among them we had 2 players in the finals, which we have here, Jidak Gandhi. We are very thankful to our sponsors also. All the sponsors we have highlighted in these grounds are the sponsors like MNP, Tupen Foods, Pepsi, Zinc, and these are the sponsors of our whole tournament. And bonus is the major stakeholder who has powered this tournament. Now I will start the official closing ceremony of our APCL tournament. I, on behalf of our APCL Arunachal Pradesh Street Premier League, cordially invite our chief guest, Take Ji, to this auspicious closing ceremony. Okay, now we will start with the facilitation program of our dignitaries. Now I invite our bonus chairman, Sri Hage Tajang, to facilitate our guest of honor and special. This is our guest of honor, Sri Lavi Sidho. I request our bonus chairman to facilitate our guest of honor. Once again, let me introduce. This is our guest of honor, Sri Lavi Sidho. This is the Vice Chairman, AP Mineral Development and Training Corporation. उसको फैसिलिटेट कर रहा है हमारा बोनस का चेयरमैन श्री हागे ताजम, एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर हाईवे. Thank you. Now again, I request our Dani Salu sir, Secretary Arunachal Pradesh, and I request once again our Tajang sir to facilitate our secretary. This is our Dani Salu sir. He is an BKB alumni, BKB student, one of the first batches of BKB, Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya of Arunachal Pradesh, and is serving as a secretary in the government of Arunachal Pradesh right now. Thank you. Thank you, Dhaneshwarji. Now, finally, I request our chief guest, Sri Take Ji, to come. Take Ji, and I request our bonus chairman to facilitate our chief guest.
लगा दी हो जाएगा।
This is our chief guest, Sri Tage Takeji, Foreign Minister, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Sir is also a Archimedes alumni, Archimedes student. Today, our chief guest was very excited to see your match. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now, it's a very wonderful moment for us. Now, I request our chief guest, Sri Tao Tageji, to honor and facilitate the founder of MNT Ground, श्री ताओ पेकी तारा एंड श्री मिति तारा। ये दोनों ये जो हमारा ग्राउंड है इसका फाउंडर मेंबर है। आई रिक्वेस्ट आवर चीफ गेस्ट टू फैसिलिटेट देम। तो आई रिक्वेस्ट मम्मी, yes, the founder of MNT Ground, Srimati Tao Niti and Sri Tao Peki. So on behalf of both Srimati Tao Peki, the founder of MNT, will be honored by our chief guest Sri Tage Takeji. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Now, the efforts works. The efforts which our match officials and committee officials have done. Now, request our managing director. Now, I request our managing director, Arunachal Pradesh State Premier League, Sri Nano Tao, to honor the officials. Itna dino, 2 weeks they have been working hard with maintaining all the code of conduct of the tournament. So I request our managing director, Arunachal Pradesh State Premier League, to honor the officials. Now we will start with the umpires. We had 4 very learned umpires with us. So I request Sri Kara Rai. Let me tell you, they are very learned umpires, BCC certified umpires, and they have been working very hard whole 2 weeks. So I request our MD, Managing Director, FACL, to facilitate them. This is Sri Kara Rai. Kara Rai. Thank you. Now I request this is a small honorarium from FACL to the team officials. Now request Sri Raj Tanti, a well learned, and again whole tournament जो official scoring हुआ है, जो हम ऑनलाइन देख पा रहे हैं, इनके कारण से देख पा रहे हैं. This is Raj Tanti, a senior official, umpire, and this is small honorarium from FACL. Thank you. That was Raj Tanti. Now I request MT Tad. MT Tad. काफ़ी धूप में एम्पायरिंग किया हमारा एम्पायर लोग, काफ़ी 34 टेम्परेचर 36 टेम्परेचर में इन्होंने एम्पायरिंग करते हुए टीम को मैचेस को आगे बढ़ाया है. दैट इज MT Tad. Now request Techi Tarum. Everyone knows Techi Tarum. He is a good player also. धूप में एम्पायरिंग करके काला हो गया है. Small honorarium from FACL. Yeah, we had a very wonderful commentator with us. And he is a very wonderful player, national player. He has played in national leagues and internationally also he has played. His name is Techi Doria. ये हमारा ऑफिशियल कमेंटेटर है और काफ़ी रिनाउंड प्लेयर है। Now, again, I request MD to facilitate our groundsmen also, because without their labor, without their work, हम लोग बॉल पूरा गायब हो जाना था, नहीं तो हम लोग का कितना बॉल लॉस हो जाना था। तो I request our MD to facilitate them. श्री तकर, groundsman श्री तकर, हमारा पिच बीत जाता है, पिच गीला हो जाता है, बाउंड्री में कहीं कुछ हो गया, तो दिस ग्राउंड्समैन आर द पर्सन हु हैव बीन सेफगार्डिंग दिस ग्राउंड फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम। श्री तकर। Now the next groundsman is Kantara. Now ये ग्राउंडसमैन को सब जानता है, सब प्लेयर लोग जानता है कि इस कांतारा।
बहुत मेहनत किया है।
Now we have ball boy. We have a very small, very young and very smart ball boy. Hero the manager. Hero the manager. हीरो द मैनेजर, वो एक सेकेंड में ये एक सेकेंड में ये ग्राउंड को 2 राउंड मार सकता है। His name is हीरो द मैनेजर। We have our son of our MD, who have been assisting his father throughout whole this tournament, and they have been assisting as a ball boy. I invite Tao Kayatara. ये सब अपना पापा को मदद किया ये पूरा टूर्नामेंट। ताओ कायतारा, ताओ दोदुम तारा, ताओ तना तारा, ताओ रिपुम तारा, 4 तारा। They have been assisting the MD, their father, and they are the future of this MMP ground and of the league also. So this was Tao Kayatara, Tao Dodum Tara, Tao Tana Tara, and Tao Rimpum Tara. Now finally, the end of the officials, we have catering in charge, Miss Tao Teresa Tara. Teresa, I request Babi to accept on. Thank you. Thank you.